Hi, welcome to Teach Idea for Innovation. Today we are with a new innovative project, and this is forest theft monitoring using IoT, like saving the costly trees like sandalwoods. So we are designed this. So in order to monitor the characteristics of the tree or forest, so we are using a detect the branches bending. We are using flex sensor, and fire detection. We are using flame sensor, and to localize the theft, so we are using GPS, and the PIR sensor is used to monitor the movements, so and axometric is to detect the cut down of trees. So now we'll check with different actions with a sensor, with a controller. So this is a mega mini board. So next is we'll check with a demo of platform using Blink server. So this is our so in order to this is our system project. So here we can localize our tree particular location where it is, and so that we can access the location where the particular action is going on. So when multiple devices you use with the same configuration in one platform. So next we will activate the system for receiving the notification if tree branches are bending, so that will notify found branches bending. So let's check with different actions. So now we'll check with fire detection also. So fire is detected. Similarly, we will check for the other notifications like movement detection of live living objects. So yes, that is detected. So and the cut down of trees. So if the tree is bent or cut down into ground, so from micrometric found tree cutting, like this notifications we get. And addition to this project, I have designed the even the object detection using deep learning model. So like we can detect the persons or animals in the camera, and we can notify the particular animals by classifying them. Like I have used to find the lost animals like cat, dog in the forest, or cow. If it comes in the presence of webcam, it will notify the authorizers this platform. So I have integrated this, connected this hardware to the platform. So we'll check with those part. So I'm using the webcam to monitor those data. So we'll check with the com, it is connected. So it's 9, COM port 9. So let's change that COM port number in our program. The webcam is activated. So now we are ready to detect some objects. the screen is the window is open, so we can receive the notification depending on the particular object detection. So we'll go for so that is person is detected, showing us so we can receive that notifications if the person is detected. Similarly, so I will go for other inputs. Elephant detected, like this. So we can receive other even the other parameters like so we will check for the other parameters too. So cat is like this. So we have different animals, like we can detect horse, sheep, cat, cow, like this lost animals, and even the intrusion of elephant to the form. So like this we can classify the animals like animals, and this is the deep learning objective have added for the notification. So if person intrusion is detected, that also be notified to the which is the concerned account. Yeah, so this is the different objectives, and we can monitor the sensor activities over the tree, and even the intrusion to the forest, any peoples or animals. So these are the advantage of this project.